Hey everybody! Okay, so this is my lovely friend Dana. Which we met on Instagram technically. Did we not?
Yes,
we did. Yes, we did. So it's just like, let's go to Epcot.
Yep. And we're here. First day at the park. Oh, Timon and Pumbaa.
Oh yes, okay. Timon and Pumbaa. Okay, we'll do photos real fast. Okay, I'm back. But anyway, so we just got off test track. Yes.
My first time.
Yes, it was our first time. It was my second technically. I haven't been here in years though, so it's brand new for me. And now we're going on it's Winnie the Pooh. That was so cute. I recorded it and I'm like stitching it in. This video is not gonna be super great, but it's okay. So now we're going to Figment, and you've never been on this ride, right? Yes, Figment's adorable. And I didn't get the popcorn bucket and I'm so disappointed. They sold out. And I'm so sad. But it's okay. I love this ride. Okay, so I will video going in and then we'll see y'all on the other side. Okay, we just finished. What did you think?
He's so cute.
I loved it. Yes, and then she got some ears. I love it.
First set of ears.
Yes, we earned our ears and we have our ears. That's what you said earlier, and I love it. It sounded so cute, so I was like, I'm gonna give the credit to you.
I don't know if I'm going the right way.
Anyway, okay, so we're gonna go find somewhere to eat.
2,000 years later.
Hey everybody, okay, so maybe it took a little bit too long, but anyway, so I got Stitch. I love it. He is so cute. I finally found the last one and I'm so proud of myself. And so it's just made my entire day. But we just got finished with living with the land. We rode Soarin', we ate at some places, and it was raining hard and that's why I wasn't filming very much. But I took pictures and you saw that in the slideshow a second ago. Anyway, so now we are headed to Magic Kingdom. So I'll make a little video so y'all can see what we're doing next.